All right, I have a few faces. I 3D printed a few faces, and I have these faces and that Troublesome truck. It's a sticker paper face, no longer there. So what are we going to do is we're going to put one of these faces. First, I need to clean this. I'm going to try this face. Looking much better. Black paint. Eyebrows with a very thin brush. You got the idea. Now that is better than nothing. Alright, this custom took me less than 2 minutes to finish. See the results yourself. It looks really cool. So I have another faces. They will be available in a couple days. Nice.